Hello, my beautiful people. I am back again. So let me tell you something. I just had to stop and take some time to just crush on my skin, okay? My skin is looking flawless. Hello. But other than that, let's just get into this look. So today I am coming back with another twist out video on this time wet hair. Now, what you see me doing right here is, honey, I had put some doggone crushed hibiscus in my hair to do a hair mask, and it was the worst decision that I have made in a long time. So I was just going in with a hydrotherapy mist that the J.Antoinette line is coming out with. Let me tell you guys something. This mist is going to transform your life, okay? As you can see, you can still see there's a lot of shine on my hair. This mist is going to cut down on the amount of cream and oil that you have to use, and it goes in and locks in moisture right away. Yeah, you heard me. Less product, more moisture. That's every natural girl's dream, okay? So when I'm going in with my moisture repair cream, and we are going to do the exact same look as we did in the video before this. We are going to do a stretch, not a stretch, we're going to do a twist out, but this time the twist out is going to be on wet hair. So my issue is today, okay, ignore the way I sound. Look at that. Oh, sis. Oh, honey, look at that growth. Look at that new growth. I got to do a video, a side-by-side video coming up next on the amount of growth that I have. But I was saying, ignore my voice. I have come down with this stupid cold and it's so annoying. But we are going to twist my hair down the exact same way that I did it before. If you guys see me picking stuff out of my hair, honey, my hair is not dirty. My hair is freshly washed. It is just that doggone hibiscus, crushed hibiscus that I was trying to be bougie about and trying to make something cute. And it was just like the worst decision ever. It was like I rolled around in the sand. That's how horrible it was. But yeah, just twisting down, and notice the amount of product that I'm putting on my hair. I'm just taking like a little dab, adding it to my hair, and then going in and twisting it down. So, and if you're, oh God, you guys are going to see at the end of this video the moisture, the shine that my hair has. And you know the best thing about this hydrotherapy mist that we're coming out with, I'm finalizing the formula now. Bruh, a girl hair is so freaking soft, it's ridiculous. My hair is so soft, so it literally not only moisturizes your hair, but it softens the hair texture. And that's what a lot of us type 4 girls deal with. We deal with that coarseness. As you can see, right before I started brushing my hair, I haven't even put product on it. I look at the hydrotherapy mist. It already started softening the hair. It started working on the curls. Look, I didn't even put any on the ends of my hair. And look at those curls. That's what I'm talking about. You guys are so gonna love this. I cannot wait to put it on sale for you guys. You guys, this is gonna change your freaking life. I promise you. I mean, I'm just saying. It's gonna change your life. So yeah, let's get through this video and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, honey, I only got one word. Well, two. Definition and shine. Look at that shine in my hair. First of all, I didn't even go in with the moisture repair elixir, honey. I just went in with the hydrotherapy mist and the cream. And look at the definition. Look at the shine. My curls are extremely soft. My hair texture is so much softer than it normally is. Honey, y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Just take note. Take note. Yes, honey, I'm feeling myself. Oh, honey, you better slay, girl, slay for these people. You better slay. Oh, honey. Now, first of all, I never have that type of bounce. Sometimes my hair is so heavy with cream because my hair is so coarse. It never moves like this. Look. Oh, honey, I'm done. I'm done. All right, everyone, so we are done with this look. I wanted to do a comparison between twist out on stretched hair and twist out on wet hair. And oh my God. Sis, my hair is flaky. Flaky, not flaky, flaky. I haven't had like a really good twist out like this in like, oh my God, in a hot minute. I got so much of this leftover freaking hibiscus in my hair, Lord. But yes, like I am so here for this. It is like, yeah, I'm definitely here for this. The definition is insane. Like, I don't even know if you can see it here on film, but the definition is literally insane. And I am loving this, you guys. I don't know. I love the stretch. I love the volume that I got from twisting my hair out straight, but this definition ain't nothing to play with, honey. It really ain't nothing to play with. Like, literally, my hair is so shiny, it's so soft, and it's not super greasy. And yeah, man, you guys, I don't know. Of course, I used the J.Antoinette moisture repair cream on it, and this is absolutely amazing. You guys have to check it out. J.Antoinette, the moisture repair duo, is on sale right now on my website at www.jantoinette1927.com. You can get the oil and the cream for $20.29. It is 30% off, you guys. So go ahead and get it while the getting is hot, okay? Get it while getting is hot. But yeah, get it before we sell out. Even though I'm gonna be making some more, but get it before the sale is over. You definitely need this in your arsenal. Especially, like I always say, if you suffer from dry hair like me. You guys can see my hair texture from the beginning of the video. I have type 4 hair. My hair is very thin and spider web like, and it's very, very dry. So this was created for those of us that don't have, you know, that Instagram type natural hair that's all perfect and gorgeous. No, this is for us girls who need a little bit more help, okay? And that's where the moisture repair cream and the moisture repair elixir comes in to give us that help. So ladies, let me know what y'all think, because I just need to cue Beyonce and Nicki Minaj because I'm feeling myself, okay? I really am. I really am. The definition is insane. I love the curls. Yeah. Curls for the girls. But yeah, guys, so thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting me. All of you guys that do. Words can't express how much I appreciate it. I love you guys, and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. The stretched version or the wet version. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. I'm really liking this wet version though. I just don't know. But you guys let me know which one was your favorite. And until I come back with another video, I will see you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not. Like, don't watch the video and not subscribe. Like, who does that these days? It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything. Just click the button and we'll all have a good time, all right? So let me know if you guys would like to see me do some other styles. Let me know if you have any questions about the style, about the products. And until next time, see you guys later. Bye.